Hi, my name is Klaus. I'm your inspector today, inspecting this Lexus for you. Let's go through the bodywork. This is 2019 Lexus 250h, right? Bodywork. I have to say, it is a bit tatty, right? Starting from front, there are, of the stone chips would be in line with age and mileage. You've got corrosion. There's on underside a bit of corrosion. Stone chips. It's got a lot of hairline scratches on this vehicle and on pretty much every panel. There's some scratch. This needs repair and underside needs repair. Bumper had some minor bumps somewhere in this section. Again, something's not lined up properly, broken. This section was broken and sort of repaired, and this is sort of hanging. Few of the plastic clips are missing. Excessive scratches and hairline scratches, slightly ripped, again scratches, stone chips, loads of hairline scratches. This trim is broken as well, so they've been driven into the bumper somewhere. As you can see, there are marks on it, right? And this section is a bit flimsy, right? As you can see, there's a bump marks that's been driven. I think it driven over something, because on the underside, this trim is a bit loose on this door. There are heavy rips and it goes all over, and there's a few damages at the back and on that side as well on the plastic. So it's been driven over somewhere, driven into, whether in the field or somewhere. It had insurance standard repairs, which been done to the industry standard. The quarter panel doors on this side, and again you got hairline scratches on it around here, and some of the on a bumper, some scratches here on the bumper, again hairline scratches around here, some scratch on this side, again trim on this section is sort of scratched, deteriorated. It had a bit of, seems like it had a bit of rough life. Scratch here. Alloys surprisingly are good. Perished tires. Wear marks, edges typical, and again some hairline marks around here which can be polished. There's few on the roof too. Sunroof doesn't want to come backwards. Interior has heavy wear, and that bolster is damaged there where the Isofix child seat support is. So that could be quite expensive, about $380 to do it, or even somebody gonna repair it around that price. Wear visible. I didn't even have to flip my cover how dirty this one is around here. So was the wear evident on a dashboard. So it had a kind of significant use out of this car, right? This side, front wing resprayed and quarter resprayed, all done to the industry standard. So it's a previous insurance repairs on this vehicle. However, everything inside is working. You got hairline scratches around here and some sort of awkward contamination mark on it. And again, it looks like it's been drying for the country lines. This section of the mirror casing and that top gloss is scuffed, sort of light scuff marks. That is sort of the vehicle, right? I think there is a super fine, gentle shade difference on this door. However, that is reflection, but I'm sure there is. Very gentle, not visible if you're going too much. That tire pressure is low on this rear left. There was nothing abnormal. Hybrid system works as it should. All the voltages, resistances are equal. 80 miles ago there was faults cleared in hybrid system, engine management and transmission. Regards to anything else, I'm gonna go for the road test and we'll see how it performs. Any drivability issues I'll put in a report. to the context, it is 75,000 mile car, 5 years. However, I describe a average due to all what I see with the wear and other some maintenance items, and obviously so is the excessive wear on the interior. I mean, 72,000. So, like I said, any durability issues, I'll put in a report. Thanks for using us.